and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Peruvian chicken. The first thing I want to do, I'm going to start off with a whole chicken. I could have barbecued the whole chicken, but I just wanted 8 pieces, so I decided to cut down my whole chicken. And the ingredients that I have is garlic, soy sauce, lime juice, extra virgin olive oil, cumin, paprika, oregano, and black pepper. And I decided to blend my ingredients together. I wanted to crush up my garlic cloves instead of just cutting them up. So here I'm just going to add my ingredients to my food processor. Here we're going to add the soy sauce, our olive oil, our lime juice, our cumin, our paprika. This is black pepper, oregano, our garlic. And then we're just going to turn on our food processor and we're just going to blend these ingredients up. So here we have blended them up. We're going to take our ingredients and we're going to pour it over that chicken that we cut up in the beginning of our video. I put my chicken in a large Ziploc bag and we're going to add our marinade, and we are going to place this in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate anywhere from 8 to 24 hours. We're going to make sure that our marinade gets all in and all over our chicken really good. So here we're going to make our green sauce. We have jalapenos, we have cilantro, green onions, garlic, mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, lime juice, salt, pepper, and extra olive oil. We're going to combine all our ingredients into a blender, processing until smooth. With the motor running slowly, you want to drizzle in your olive oil and transfer your green sauce to a bowl and refrigerate until you are ready to serve it. So here we're adding our jalapenos, our cilantro, our green onions, our garlic. We're going to add our salt, our pepper. We are going to juice a lime in it. So we did 1/2 and then that's the other half of the lime. Here we're adding our Greek yogurt. And then we're adding in our mayonnaise. And here we're just going to blend everything together. And here I'm just showing you how it looks. And now we're going to drizzle in our olive oil. Once we are finished blending, we are going to add our green sauce to a bowl and we're going to refrigerate it until we are ready to use it. It's the next day. I am setting up my grill and I'm burning down my charcoals. So here I am using an onion over my grill. It's supposed to help with the chicken not sticking. I just do it out of habit. So here I'm going to start adding my chicken to my grill. And you just want to cook your grilled chicken until you're liking. We're just laying all our pieces onto the grill. Our chicken has been marinating for 24 hours. So here, I'm going to flip over my chicken. As you can see, the grill marks on it. If you ever made this recipe, comment down below if you ever made this recipe. But this turned out really, really good with the green sauce on the top. So here's our chicken. I'm just flipping it over again. I like my chicken to have a nice char on it. And then that's it. Our chicken is done. We're going to take it off the grill. And I cut up some limes. And we used our green sauce. And it was delicious. I served this with some white balsamic rice and some vegetables, and it was delicious. So today we made Peruvian chicken. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats.